Forest fires in Uttarakhand's Nainital have been raging for nearly 2 days in more than 100 hectares of land. Since April 27, the Kumaon region witnessed around 26 incidents, while Garhwal faced 5, collectively devastating 34.175 hectares of forest as reported by the State Forest Department. For the past 60 hours, the fire has been burning, prompting the Indian Air Force to send personnel and Mi-17 helicopters to help and control it. The helicopters are scooping up water and spraying it over the affected areas to put out the flames in a mission known as Bambi Bucket. Let's take a look at what are the factors that have led to the forest fires in the state. Forest fires are uncontrollable fires that occur naturally, becoming accidental disasters threatening forest ecosystems. For a fire to start, 3 things are necessary: fuel, oxygen, and a heat source, forming what's known as the fire triangle. In forests, there's plenty of oxygen and the fuel comes from dry trees, shrubs and grasses, especially during the dry, hot and summer months. Forest fires in Uttarakhand usually occur from February to June, during the dry and hot weather. These incidents often arise due to the presence of dry leaves, pine needles and other flammable materials in the forest, which serve as the fuel for the fires. However, as per the 2019 report by the Forest Research Institute under the Ministry of Environment, human activities are responsible for 95% of forest fires. Grazers commonly ignite fires to stimulate the growth of new grass, while practices like slash and burn agriculture and shifting cultivation also involve the use of fire. Other human-caused fires stem from unattended campfires, burning of waste, discarded cigarette butts, and deliberate arson. Natural causes include friction from dry trees or bamboo, sparks from stones, or lightning strikes. Between 2003 and 2017, India experienced more than 5 lakh active forest fires events, as reported by the Forest Survey of India. Additionally, over 54% of India's forest cover is prone to occasional fires. In the northwestern Himalayas, the abundance of pine trees and accumulation of thick flammable litter contribute to fires. During summer, a significant amount of pine needles collect on the forest floors, increasing the susceptibility to fire. Kumaon Commissioner Deepak Rawat mentioned that beside the IAF helicopter and army personnel, volunteers from the Prantiya Rakshak Dal and Home Guard personnel have been enlisted to assist in fire lightning efforts. Additionally, extra government vehicles, 2 for each of the 3 forest divisions, have been allocated to swiftly transport firefighting teams to the impacted regions. Since November 1, 2023, there have been 575 reported incidents of forest fires in Uttarakhand, impacting a total area of 689 hectares and resulting in expenses exceeding Rs 14 lakh from the state exchequer. In 2022, Uttarakhand experienced a significant forest fire, destroying 253 hectares of land, which resulted in a financial loss of approximately 6 lakhs for the state. As per the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, measures such as constructing watchtowers for early detection, deploying fire watchers, engaging local communities, and establishing and maintaining fire lines are effective strategies for controlling or preventing forest fires. The government has implemented several measures, including the adoption of a satellite-based fire alert system developed by the Forest Survey of India. This system enables staff to quickly identify forest fires. Forest personnel employ various techniques such as beating the fire with green, leafy branches and initiating counter fires. Additionally, they are equipped with the fire beaters and blowers for the effective firefighting. If you loved watching this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to Money Control.